Don't be afraid of the stock market. Use these investing tips. Money. It's what drives people to achieve more, reach higher, and fight for what they deserve. It fuels our society and yet causes immeasurable heartache if you don't have any. What does it take to get money? Investing is one avenue you can take to gain profits, but only if you know what it takes to do it right, so read on. You should compare stock prices to a number of factors in order to truly assess the value of any stock. If you are trying to determine whether or not a stock price is over or undervalued, consider the price to earnings ratio, cash flow, and related factors. Also analyze the sector or industry the business is in, as some sectors grow slower than others. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. Familiarize yourself with past performance of each company that you contemplate investing in. Although past successes aren't definite indicators, companies that do well often also do well in the future. Profitable businesses tend to expand, making profits more possible for both the owners of the business and the investors, like you. Whatever your original investment portfolio size might be, and no matter how large your end goals are, you can do it. The insight you now have, after watching this video, hopefully, has given you the power to take your financial future into your own hands and mold it into everything that you have dreamed of. Now all you have to do is to just do it. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.